Hi, I'm Joey Sharp, Senior Brand Product Manager for Sea Ray Boats. Welcome aboard the brand new SLX 260 Outboard. While I was here today, I wanted to take the time to show you some of the easy service points of this boat. The first one is here at the helm, so I can easily lift up the displays and be able to reach all of my cables, put in chart cards, do whatever I need to do right here. The other access points are up in the bow on the starboard side. You lift up the cushion and you have access to your amps, your ITC module, your first mate module, and you also have your vessel view link all located right there together. Now when you go to the back, your C-Zone digital switching, there is an X control module that is located in the bilge. So in this boat we have the optional bilge storage, so you raise up your bilge hatch, you lift out the bilge storage, and you have access to all your batteries and all your components, battery charger, your steering pumps, and your water tanks. So that's the SLX 260 Outboard service points. You can tell everything was well thought out by our designers and engineers to make sure that all your maintenance and serviceability points were easily accessible. Look forward to more information coming from us soon.